Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by, and if it's your first time here, you're super welcome. Do also join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also turn on post notification so you get notified every time I upload the video. On here, I'm Chinoso Okoronkwo, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Wow, that's a nice intro considering that I've not done that in over 3 months. Anyways, welcome to my video, you guys. This video originally was supposed to be a voiceover video, but last minute I felt like talking in the video. So yeah, welcome to my, as the title must have given off, okay, my updated skin prep routine for oily skin. Okay, skin prep for makeup. All right, this is what I do before I apply my foundation. I have something like this on my channel already before, but because a couple of things have changed, I thought to come on here and share with you guys as well, so you maybe go ahead and buy and try them out, especially if you're one who is wanting to try new stuff, or you really do not have an idea of very good skin prep products out there that are really affordable. I should add that because most of the things I have on here, they are very affordable. They're like one of the very affordable skin prep products out there, all right, for makeup, and I thought to share it with you guys. I hope this intro is not too long. Apologies if you find it long already. Okay, without further ado, let's get right into this video. But first, you guys, a quick notice, I might tend to go back to doing this video as a voiceover. I just thought to put that out there so that it doesn't come as a shock. Okay, yeah. To cleanse my face, I'll be using my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water and my cotton pad. It's very important that we always start makeup on a clean canvas. I'm a preacher of that. So always start your makeup on a clean face, even if you're just coming out fresh out of the shower. Alright, please still go ahead and use some cotton bud and some micellar cleansing water. Don't forget to clean your neck as well. Next, I'm going to be toning, and I'll be using my Mario Badescu facial spray, the one that has aloe vera, herbs and rose water. And I'm just going to generously spray that all over my face and my neck, and I'll let that sink in for a couple of minutes. So before my face completely dries down, while it's still damp, I'm going to go in with the moisture serum, and I'll be using this one from Omari Codes, the Bejeweled one, and I'll just have a few drops of this on my face, and I'll go ahead and blend that in with my fingers. I don't know, for myself, when I'm doing my skin prep, I am very comfortable with using my bare finger, just because I feel like it gets the job done for me, and I feel like I'm in control of the product more than when I'm using a brush. I don't know, for myself and sometimes on clients, I'm really comfortable. Like, I would prefer to use my finger. Unless I'm trying to be fancy, then I'll go ahead and use a brush. Anyways, while applying this, I'll not forget to also drag it down to my neck at this point, because when I do my skin prep, I see my neck and my face as one entity. I always drag it down. Okay, so next, for my moisturizer, I'm going to be using my Omari Code Hydrate Moisturizer, and yes, you guys, a girl is out on this product. I need to restock ASAP. I just went in to cut that in two with the scissors and get out as much product as I could get out of the container, and using my finger, I'm going to go ahead and still spread that in. As you guys can see, please moisturize your under eye. Okay, leave that place as moisturized as possible. At this point, you can go in with an eye cream if you have. I don't have any at the moment, so I always go back in to double moisturize my under eye, just so that that area stays as moisturized as possible. That is very important. Back to me talking in this video. Let's talk about primers. I'm an oily girl, okay? My face is very oily, like very oily, okay? Irrespective of that, I do not like a super matte makeup look on myself, okay? A lot of times I opt to go for like a juicy kind of makeup look, okay? It's not too dry, all right, and it's not too oily, okay? Somewhere in the middle. And for those days, for primers, what I like to do is to use my Omarico Skin Canvas Hydrating Primer. This is a very hydrating primer. What I do is to apply this all over my face. On the days where I don't use my Omarico Skin Canvas Hydrating Primer, I go in with the Milk Hydro Grape Primer. I use this all over my face, and then for my T-zones, I go in with my Rimmel Mattifying Primer in my T-zones or the MOM in my T-zones, okay? But in this video, I'm going to be using the Omarico Matte O'Clock, all right? This primer is actually a very good one, and I'm going to be using this as my only primer for today. I've not used the hydrating primer, I've not used Rimmel, I've not used MOM, nothing, only this primer, and that's just what I'm going to use as my primer for today. So using my hand, I'm going to go ahead and properly massage this into my skin, avoiding my under eye. Alright, ladies, I'm sure you know by now, I want to believe that you know by now that you should not be applying primers in your under eye, like directly under your under eye. That's not a good one. Alright, you don't want that area to be dried out. You want it to stay as moisturized as possible. So I think I've applied a bit too much of this primer. All right, normally I should not apply as much as this, but I'm too excited. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that into my skin, and I'll come back and show you guys what it is looking like. Don't forget to always drag your skin prep makeup downwards, so that by the time you're done with your makeup, you're not seeing like a max where your skin prep stop, and where always drag it down. All right, always drag it down. So this is what it's looking like, all blended in, no white mask, nothing. All right, this is not a super drying primer. Moisturize my lips with my lip balm, so my lip stays hydrated until I'm ready for my lipstick. And that's basically it, you guys. That's basically it. At this point, I'm just going to go ahead to apply my foundation. If I'm going for a matte look, my go-to setting sprays to blend my foundation with is going to be my Omarico Skin Mist, the matte one. All right, this is the hydrating one, the blue pack, and this is the matte one in the white transparent pack. All right, this, I had an issue with the pump, so I deported it into this my old Marie Badescu container. This is where I have this right now. So if I'm going for a matte look, this is what I like to spray all over my foundation before I blend this in. All right, if I'm not using this one, then I'll be using my Kiss Beauty setting spray. This is also another good setting spray, and very affordable, you guys, very affordable. And then once I'm done with my makeup, all right, I'm going to go ahead and still spray with either the Kiss Beauty setting spray or the Omarico Skin Mist Matte. And then on top of that, to seal in everything, I'm going to be using my So Pro Seal It. All right, this is the truth. Okay, this one is what I'm going to be using at the end of my makeup. I also had that, what's her name now? I can't remember these guys. They've also done another Seal It spray. If I remember their name, I'll leave it on the screen. And people are saying that it's giving what So Pro is giving. I can't wait to try that out as well. But that's basically it, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you watched up to this point, I hope you learned something new. I hope you learned a thing or two, and we'll be giving some of these products a try. Please let me know in the comments, and please let me know which one you'll be trying out. And until I see you guys in my next video, stay fab and stay blessed. But before you go, please check out this video right here. I'm sure you like it as well. Also, the way to engage this video as well. Drop comments on what you'd like to see from me. And until I see you guys in this video, stay fab and stay blessed, guys. Ciao, ciao. See you in this video.